Why does your scanner show the P0007 engine code? What does it mean? P0007 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel shutoff valve, a control circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM is detecting a high voltage or signal from the fuel shutoff valve, potentially causing issues with fuel flow and engine operation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel shutoff valve, wiring issues, ECM malfunction, fuel shutoff solenoid problems, fuel shutoff relay problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mahindra Scorpio N, Hyundai Creta, BMW X5, and Land Rover Defender models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.